Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to create pivot tables in two different ways. So first of all, you can see it's not a table, it's a range. If we want to have a pivot table, we have to have a table first. So I just use the shortcut key Ctrl T and create my table. Okay, so now it's my table. So whenever I click here, you can see a design appears here. And so if I want to create a pivot table, I just come here to insert. Under the insert, I have here the pivot table. When I click here, you can see it is the name of my table. So it's very important. And here we can choose the location, and also we are going to create a new worksheet. So I just press OK. So here I want to create just for account manager, and okay. So first of all, I just drag this account manager. I want this to be in the row. You can see I have the account manager here, and I want to here have the years. Yes, I have the year here, and I just drag the total here. So it's for each account manager the total profit, and also it's the grand total, and here's there. When I just click here, I want to create a new pivot table. I just click here and I come here to click on pivot table. Here I selected the location, it's selected, and here I have to write the name of my table. So I just write here table 1 and okay. Yes, it works perfectly. And here I want to find the customer type, each customer, how much they spend. So I just select this and drag this down here to the row. You can see I have the customers, and here I just drag the total here. Yes, so I want to repeat once again. Okay, here I select this cell. After that I come here to the insert. Under the insert here pivot table, and here I have the location, and here I should write the name of table, which was table 1, and okay. You can see it works magically. So we can find that we can create, like I drag account manager here after that, and the total here. You can see it works magically. So that's it about creating pivot table. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.